Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to use on-screen keyboard on this laptop. So if your physical keyboard is available, you can do it by using a combination of Windows, Control and O buttons by pressing them at the same time. This enables the screen keyboard. You can reshape and resize it however you want by dragging the sides and also the corners. And to close it, press X. And right now, if your physical keyboard isn't available, then you can open Start menu, go to Settings, scroll down to Accessibility Settings, and then find Keyboard, click on it, and enable on-screen keyboard feature. And the third way that you can use on-screen keyboard, which is especially usable if you want, especially important if you want to have an on-screen keyboard all the time, is to open Personalization Settings, go to Taskbar, and then select Touch Keyboard and change this setting to Always. And right now you will see this icon on your taskbar, and if you tap on it twice, you will open up an on-screen keyboard that can be changed but can be used, and it's especially convenient if you use touchscreen. You can close it clicking X, and you can open it at any time on your taskbar. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.